Today in this video we will learn about how to create network issue in WHMCS. Creating a network issue means we just have to notify in WHMCS that we have created a network issue. For that, log into WHMCS and click on Create New under Network Issue section. Now, here you can create a new issue. This is very helpful while a server is down or there is something for maintenance or any other notification which you would like to convey to all of your clients. This is also helpful in tracking down the downtime or any other network issue by the clients. Once you have filled up the information regarding network issue, click on Submit. Therefore, now the new network issue is created successfully. This will be displayed among all of the people in the client area. For that, log into client area, simply click on Network Issues. Once you have logged in, you will see a list of all the issues that has been created by the administrator. You can also see the status and check the updates time to time.